What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, I'm doing another official first test drive car. I ain't even got a chance to really test run my Nano like that, man. Since I changed the rear end. Y'all know I drove around the block, did one pull, and then it just, she just flatlined on me, man. She flatlined, but she back. And man, look, let me tell y'all. I just moved it back cause I switched the car, right? And I finna tighten everything up, man. I loomed the wires up, and then I had to put all the, all the panels back over there. Had to put the stuff back, trim everything on the inside of the car, so I got her back looking like she's supposed to be looking. So, boy, I moved the thing. Look, I barely hit the gas, boy. I said, oh boy, she feel different. I promise you, she feel different, boy. She snappy. She snappy, boy, like she trying to jump out the gym on E14, man. She trying to jump out the gym. I think she finna handle it a little differently. I'm telling you, I think Grandma Nana finna act a little different. So I'm gonna head to Lawley too, cause my boy Jesse been checking up on him. He don't even know I got it back running. So I'm gonna pull up on Jesse, man, cause he gonna be like, oh, you got it fixed, all of that. So holler at him, and I think it's 2 parts I need to get for wifey car, but I'm gonna call Rick when we get to the parts store and just double check, make sure he ain't moved. Cause he about, man, wifey car. Like my boy Rick said, it looked like that pressure. I said, man, every time he tell me something, I get more hype, man. I can't wait, boy. Finna debut wifey car. She gonna be debuting it soon. I say probably next week. She'll be debuting it. Cause that man rolling, so that's why I gotta get these last 2 parts, man. But can't wait to hear it, boy. Can't wait to hear it. Then I'm gonna go by here to Lawley, try to get her on the schedule for them to switch the mufflers out too. So, man, we finna let me crank Nana up, man. Crank Nana up, cause y'all really ain't heard her in a long time. Y'all ain't heard her in a long time, man. Cause she was slick down a month. That time be going by fast, man. She was down, and then everything started happening. I got busy. I was like, shoot, she was slick down a long little time. So. Let me crank old Nana up, man. Can't let her run long. The gas, boy, I need some petrol. Look how you just stick your hand in there and yank it. Wow. Come on, Nana, boy. Come on, Nana. You got that good perfume too, boy. Smelling good. Let's hit the road, man. Alright, y'all see it, man. I'm checking in. Roll my Nana. Made it over here to Lawley. I see my boy Jesse got that hog out, boy. This thing here is ready. This here car right here. This thing here is ready. Boom, boom, boy. That Lawley car. Small block. He got in there ready, boy. I said, man, I'm ready to see this thing in action, man. But yeah, man, y'all see, we got Nana out. Man, when I got to the gas station right up the street, man, she started, boy, I wanted to cut off. I said, man, she flooding, the carburetor flooding. Crunk it up, he did it again, man. When I pulled in here, cut off. I said, man, she flooding. I popped the hood, just came out. He was like, man, what's going on? You want to cut off? I said, yeah, it sound like, he said, carburetor loading up. I said, exactly what it's doing. Man, pull the hood, boy, that junk was just boiling, boy. I'm talking about just out the vent. He said, yeah, that needle and seat. Took that needle and seat up, boy, just, whoo. Hey, it would have started doing like R&B would, basically start shooting out the vent tube, man, but got it straightened out. There wasn't nothing. Like I said, really, this joker really could use a carburetor on it. Yeah, I might get one soon. I don't know. I might get one soon, man. I don't know. Cause it, like I said, carburetor on a little too big, but I'm finna get that AC. I'm back on the AC now, man. Get it hooked up. But yeah, man. We're gonna get back. Might make a shakedown, and y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in, man. Let's see if we can get us a quick little shakedown in. Right quick. We got a nice little straightaway. Still trying to flood out. Trash in the needle and seat, man, so gotta clear that out because it just fell on the face. But man, we're gonna make our way back to the house. I'll turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, we back, man. We back. See, I made a little shakedown, but we got a little small problem. That carburetor on there is garbage, boy. Hey, the thing with this car, a lot of little small stuff, man, which I don't mind, but you know, a lot of little small stuff, man. Like, I'm real particular with how I do cars and stuff now. But it's a lot of little knick-knack stuff, the drivetrain. Don't get me wrong, I've been getting it right little by little. And I have improved it a lot from the time I bought it. I mean, a whole lot. But like I said, it's small stuff, man. Like that carburetor garbage. Carburetor garbage, man. That's why it's trash. It's probably trash in the needle and seat. But like Jesse pointed out, I never even looked at the carburetor that tough. But it looked like the carburetor been on fire or something before. So it probably damaged some stuff in it, man. So I'm gonna be taking it off and putting a new carburetor on there, called a new one, and then I can fine tune it to jet it how it need to be, and the car gonna run even better. A lot better, man. I already fixed the ignition system, brand new ignition system on it. Got it running great. The wiring look better. I put the rear end in there. Took that transmission out, cause I know the transmission went out in that joker. Put the right converter in it. Like I said, I done a lot of little small stuff. I even changed the fuel pump on it. Y'all didn't know that though. BCG Hangout did, but y'all, I been changing the fuel pump and did an up-to-date, better fuel pump on it. And then we finna change the carburetor. Finna change the carburetor, man, cause that carburetor is carburetor trash, man. You got to go. But anyway, I stopped by Harbor Freight. I couldn't get in contact with Rick yet, so I ain't buy the parts just yet. Cause I'm gonna get a water pump, even though she don't need it. But I don't know if he restored that one or what. So I'm gonna wait on him to hit me back. He hit me back, might go on and run and get it. But I got this cart, man, from Harbor Freight. Cause I was looking, I said, I got another cart, man. I need to I want to try to clean the corner up some, which. The old headlights for Grandma Nana, man, I probably can go ahead and throw them in today, actually. Go ahead and get them installed. I've been meaning to do that. LEDs, these spark plugs, and filter go for me. So they can go in the house, parts. And then that radiator got to go on Dolo. So I'm about to put this cart together, man. We're gonna see what the corner gonna be looking like when I get finished, man. So y'all see the before? Y'all see the before? Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see that. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in. So y'all see, man, it getting dark, and got the cart put together, man. I'm finna close the garage, straighten up, cause it got cool. I was sitting right here at the last minute. I was on the phone talking this and that. And man, the time to crept by, and then I said, shoot. Track tomorrow, so I might load up Dolo and go to the track if I have time. So, tomorrow morning, I gotta take Dolo down to Showtime. We can get my new converter put in, get it swapped out. I'm gonna try to stay and wait on it, and then load it back up, and I'll really be ready for the track. So that's the plan for tomorrow, man. So I went ahead and switched cars around. Got Dolo back then, so I can make it easy tomorrow, cause me and wife got to work out. we got to work out. So I like, then I get up tomorrow, I can after we finish working out, man, I can just hook up to the trailer, gonna pull the car up, head on down there, man. Then I need to get some racing gas too while I'm down there. I need some racing gas, man. Paper on the floor. But yeah, man, like I said, all in all, been a good day. Grandma Nana back. She need a carburetor. You know, we're gonna have to do that. We gotta get that carburetor straightened out, man. You know, it ain't been doing that, but it just showed it. Boy, she showed her ass today, so I got to get that carburetor, man, cause that thing there, thumbs down. So, but all in all, she ride good. She riding good. I'm glad to have it back. Everything in the fleet got oil pressure. I ain't never had that happen, man. Everything is here, running at the same time, man. I'm just geeked off of that, cause that been one of my goals. That been one of my goals, man, to have all the whips running at the same time. I ain't never got it. I ain't never did it. Cause y'all know most of the time I had 4 of them running. And then Meats was down for a good little minute. So now Meats back. And then the last time I got close to it, what happened? Dolo wanted to have that mishap. Then Meats came back for literally a day. Not even full 24 hours. But Dolo down, and then, you know, I'm like, man, I got Meats back, now Dolo down. And then Meats went ahead and went down, man. And then Dolo came back. So it just been, man, I ain't never been able to get them running. So Meats back, and then Grandma Nana was acting up. But now, man, everything running at the same time, man. It's a good feeling. I'm telling y'all, boy. It's a good feeling, man. Five bad whips, man. Everything got some pressure under the hood. I mean, everything got pressure on the hood. With all type of variety. Man, you can't beat it, man. You can't beat it, man. So, I know I need one more, man. Well, y'all know I'm gonna have 2 more when it's all said and done, man. When it all said and done, I had told y'all I'm gonna have anywhere from 6 to 8 cars in my collection that's gonna stay. I'm gonna have 6 to 8 in my collection that's gonna stay. Cause y'all know Grand National in the 73 Impala, man, Vert is a given. So, then I got to have one more turbo car in the fleet, man. I might put something together this time, spec my own combo. Cause by now people ought to see how I can get down with these combos, man. By now. But if you don't, just keep watching. You gonna see. But oh yeah, everybody that been hitting me for the bill sheets. I got a lot of email about bill sheet, man. Some from way back. I'm just now seeing y'all. I'm gonna get to y'all, man. I'm gonna shoot everybody. And for the bill sheet, it's $200, man. I just tell you the price. Cause it don't change no matter what it is. It's $200, man, for a bill sheet. What is a bill sheet? A bill sheet is an email you'll receive. You can print it out if you want to. A professionally typed email, man, wifey. Got it formatted. Very detailed. Literally down to rings, head gaskets, everything. It takes all the guesswork. Cause a lot of people want to put their own engine together, but they don't know combinations. Or you go to an engine build, they might be good and decent, but they don't get down to the nitty gritty. Like me, I know the science of them, so I can put together a good combination. I just have never put together a bottom end. I ain't never assembled the bottom end, but I understand the mechanics of how an engine works and makes power, which is why I got the knowledge to put together a super mean combination like I do. So bill sheets are $200. You paying for information. You paying to take the guesswork out. I work with you, and the way that process work, man, you email me telling me what you want, what you trying to do, and we go from there, and you tell me your budget, and I try to see, I off top, I tell you if that probably can be done or not, if I can try to put you something together, and I put you a combination together based on your budget and your goals. If your goals don't meet your budget, I'm going to tell you off top, well, you say, hey man, I'm trying to go, I want to go run 750s, man. But then I only got $5,000 to spend. I'm going to say, you ain't about to do that. You ain't about to do that. Not with new parts. You can try some used stuff and throw it together and get lucky and swing for the fences, and sometimes you can make it happen. Sometimes stay together, sometimes it don't. And I just keep it real with you. So everybody want a bill sheet, man. I'm going to get with you. I'm on email, we try to knock them down. It really is a lot. It's a lot right now. Cause the bill sheets, that email, when people inquire about bill sheet, it's also it's my business email. So I got a lot of companies that email me literally daily wanted to do sponsored content. So it's a lot to filter through. So I'm kind of getting there one by one and replying to people. Same thing with Instagram. I just seen a few messages on Instagram, people on bill sheets, but my Instagram flooded too, man. All my inbox flooded. Just know that everybody thinking the same thing. Let me message on Instagram. Let me message on Facebook. I mean, every platform I'm on, my inbox is flooded, man. I try to get to them as I can, but the email is the fastest way. The email the fastest way to contact. Jmalcom2004@gmail.com. So I'm gonna have the bill sheet coming. Yes, I know, y'all. I spec Dolo, the whole entire car, rear end and all. Engine, I spec everything. Converter, R&B. Y'all see, I remixed it. I spec R&B. Roma Nano. I'm gonna put my touch on the car. That combo is a little off too. I spec wifey engine right now getting done, so y'all gonna see how I get down. Top end bill. I can do top end. I can do top end bill sheets too. If you want to change the top end or whatever you think you got nice bottom end, but your combo off, I can get you right on that too. So you get with me, man. $200 a bill sheet. You can pay through Cash App, Messenger Pay, Zelle. I take everything. PayPal, what else, man? Venmo, anything. All of those payment processes, man, you can do that. So if you want a bill sheet, just hit my email, man. We'll get together and we'll get it knocked out. Like I said, it'll be a detailed email. You can print it off if you want to. You can take it directly to Summit. I use Summit Racing, not Summit Parts, but I'm saying part numbers. And literally all you have to do is take this bill sheet and go get the parts. That's all you gotta do. You can get them at your own pace. It'll have an itemized breakdown to tell you how much each part is. Isn't it? You can go get it at your own pace, man. And then you put your seat together and you put your engine together. You go to whoever engine build you want to have it done. Give them your parts and they'll put it together, man. You don't have to pay for their information. You just pay them to assemble your engine and put that joker in, and somebody to set your time and tune it, and you ready to go. Pump gas, you want a full race gas engine or whatever. I can spec whatever, man. And like I said, it's down to the T. Head gaskets, you don't have to know the gasket thickness, none of that stuff. I do all of that. Your compression be on there on the sheet, what your running compression will be and stuff, all of that. So cause I forgot how many I've done. And look, if y'all got a bill sheet from me, man, when you get these engines together and in the car, please send me a video. Send me a video, contact me, man, because I like to show people, hey, this is one of my combos I put together. I like to show people that one of my combos, and I like to see that y'all happy and it met your need and you burn the tires and all that. So let me know, man. But yeah, all in all, it's a good day, man. It getting dark, it getting chilly. I'm finna close the garage and get to work. Start this tightening up the corner. So that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.